Hello everyone, welcome to Basics e-Learning. I am going to solve CBSE NCERT textbook for class 10 with a detailed explanation for all the chapters. This is the third subsection from problem number 5, exercise 8.4. Problem goes like this. Tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus secant theta cosecant theta. So now let us take the LHS part and try to prove the RHS part. So LHS I am converting it into sines and cosines. So tan theta I am writing as sin by cos and cot I am writing it as cos theta by sin theta plus cot again cos theta by sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. So now taking LCM in the denominator, we get sin theta by cos theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta, right? So now this is of the form a by b divided by c by d, which can be written as a by b into d by c. So both the terms we can write them as sin square theta divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta, right? Plus cos square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. So in the denominator we have cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta here, and in the second term we have cos theta minus sin theta. So to make the denominator equal, take minus sign out here such that the expression becomes sin square theta divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. That is the first time I am writing as it is, minus cos square theta divided by sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta, right? So I have taken the minus out. Now both the denominators are of the same form, that is you have common term sin theta minus cos theta. So now if you take LCM here, sin theta cos theta multiplied by sin theta minus cos theta. So the first term here you will get sin cube theta minus second term you will get it as cos cube theta. Now the numerator is of the form a cube minus b cube, which you can write it as a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, right? So this I can write it as now sin cube theta minus cos cube theta, that I can write it as sin theta minus cos theta multiplied by, that is a minus b, then a square plus ab, that is sin theta cos theta plus b square, that is cos square theta, right, divided by, again I am writing the denominator as it is, sin theta cos theta multiplied by sin theta minus cos theta. So sin theta minus cos theta will get cancelled here, and in the numerator I have sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is nothing but 1, right? So this can be written as 1 plus sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta. Now this can be written as 1 by sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta. So which is nothing but 1. This will get cancelled, right? So this is nothing but 1 plus 1 by sin theta is cosecant theta, and then 1 by cos theta is secant theta, right? So now this is our RHS. Hence it's proved. For more videos, please do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Let us know your suggestions and queries in the comment box. Thank you.